My chicken scampi. This is my chicken scampi. Tastes so good. Breast, this is enough. Din natin ang onion into dice. Meron tayong lemon. Yeah, look at that. Put butter. I like a 1/4. Okay, alright. Diced garlic, onion, and parsley and lemon. Garlic. We're going to add our onion, purple onions. Pepper for this. Then we're gonna put our parsley. To add our lemon. So mostly yung iba naglalagay ng wine. So kasi kami hindi kami mag-wine. Hindi kami maglagay ng wine, just lemon lang. Ayan. Eric. I love it. Sauce pa lang yan, guys. Our noodles. So our scampi. I think this is gonna be okay. We're gonna add our chicken like that. And where's the toasted bread? Parmesan. Another one, enough. Ooh, little parmesan on the top of our scampi. And ta-da! Right, ta-da! Scampi. Chicken with toasted bread.